Due to popular request, I am again going to do a partial tutorial about triangle math. Okay, I'm not going to do the whole thing for you. What I want to point out to you is that each of these shapes is comprised of your 30, 60, 90 triangle and your 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. Okay, they're showing it in different orientations, different configurations, and you're supposed to calculate what that degree angle is. Now, in the instructions on Canvas, I told you that if you have over 180 degrees, then your answer is going to be wrong. What we're looking for letter A is what degree angle is this. So they're asking for this one right here. Okay, this is our 30-degree angle, so I'm going to write down 30 degrees down here on my answer sheet. Okay, for letter B, they're also going to indicate a flat line. Now, for those of us who have had geometry, we know that a flat line equals 180 degrees. So if we have our triangle that's at a 90-degree angle, whatever's left over is 180 degrees minus 90. So B will also be 90 degrees. Letter C is asking for this final angle. We know this is our 30, 60, 90-degree triangle, so letter C is 60 degrees. And finally, letter D is asking for what this angle is. Essentially, you're going to take a straight line, okay, 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which equals 120 degrees. Okay, so I helped you out with that first one. Some helpful hints for some of these future ones are, especially looking at E and F, if you have two triangles that are sitting here, letter E is asking for this angle in between. If I separate my two triangles this way, I have not changed that angle at all. I've just spread it out, but it's still the same angle. So essentially, to get letter E, I'm going to take 180 degrees, and I'm going to subtract 45, and I'm going to subtract 30 degrees. So together, those equal 75 degrees. So 180 minus 75 equals 105. F is doing a little bit of an overlap. Okay, so what it has here is this right angle, 90 degrees, minus this smaller angle of 30 degrees. So 90 minus 30 equals 60 degrees. The last one that I'm going to show you, and hopefully you'll be able to do the math to figure out the rest of them, is going to be letter O. So what you're going to have to do to get some of these is to extend some of your lines, because the part I'm grading is down here at the bottom where you're writing your answers. So feel free to scribble all over this thing. Okay, so I'm closing this in so it looks like a triangle to me. Now, if you add up all three angles inside of a triangle, that also equals 180 degrees. So to figure out this angle, I need to subtract this and this from 180. So looking at it, I have my 45-degree triangle sitting right here. So 180 minus 45. Also, down here I have a 45 and a 60-degree angle. So 180 minus, how much is this? 90, 150 equals 180 minus 150, that equals 30 degrees. So O equals 30 degrees. Hopefully this has helped. Those of you who have been missing this assignment, use this to help you complete the rest of it and get this turned in as soon as possible.